What time do you usually get up?
I get up at 5 a.m. every day.
Do you exercise?
Yes, regularly.
What time do you usually go to bed?
I'm in bed by 11 p.m.
How often do you drink coffee?
Almost every day.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What was your major in university?
Fine arts.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
How is the weather today?
It's quite hot.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can.
What are your plans for tonight?
Eat dinner and go to bed.
Do you like parties?
Not so much.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, a lot.
Where would you like to travel next?
To Paris.
What are you doing now?
I'm talking to you.
What did you do last night?
I watched my favorite TV show.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to make a music video.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes.
Could you lend me $100?
Sorry, I don't have $100.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good.
Are you tired?
A little.
Are you hungry?
No.
Do you like me?
Sure.